Haha! Welcome to Morris Midwest. Yes, we made it to the Midwest and we have Morris Madness just around the corner. I'm gonna take you guys inside to talk a little bit more with the folks here to figure out why they're so excited, what they enjoyed most at previous Morris Madness, or what they're super excited about for this Morris Madness. So come on inside. I'm a little bit cold and maybe that's why I'm talking fast, but I'm excited, and let's go take a look at what's going on the inside of these doors.
I'm excited to see all of the technology all in one place. You know, it's literally going to be, you walk through and you just see all of the technology we have available for folks, you know, for the customers. So,
you know, these events really mean a lot to me, to watch the guys, their excitement when they get the opportunity to get their hands on the technology that's on our floor and really show what they can do with that technology. They go out as well too. When they're going to a customer between now and the March Madness, they are out there, they're talking about this, they're getting jacked up, they're getting excited about this. And when you hear them talk to a customer, it makes you damn proud about what's going to be displayed on those 2 days in March.
So the one thing that I look forward to at Morris Madness every year is my current customers, when they come in, they have their new challenges. They bring in new parts from their customers. They say, hey, what's the equipment that I need to invest in order to make this part efficiently? And then we sit down with them and we say, hey, this might be a good Tsugami project, whether for a B0205 or for an SS327. You know, I have to get them excited to say, hey, let's invest in technology, let's do this together. You know, we got your back the entire way.
I would say one of the great things about Morris Madness, and the reason you should be here, is not only because you get to see who Morris Midwest is, the products we represent, but it also gives you an opportunity to meet some of the other manufacturers and builders that we don't necessarily promote as we do the machine tools we sell. And it gives you a chance to meet with their representatives and make a connection with them so that we can show you how to best utilize their stuff on our equipment.
Last year we had a customer who has over 10 Okuma mills and lathes in their shop, and they were really interested in automation. And fortunately for them, they were able to see that automation on our floor here with the Gossinger Load and Go series that we introduced, and that we've been able to integrate into the M560 and the Okuma LB Geno series turret lathes. So when he was able to see that firsthand, see how easy the changeovers were, see how efficient it was, that really got him thinking about the next steps of his business and where he wanted to take his company. Within the last year, we've implemented 2 load and go solutions since that period of time, with 2 more potentially on the way.
So one of the things that I like best about Morris Madness is all the vendors that we have that come on site to display their products, maybe some cool products that the customer hasn't seen before. I can give you an example. The last Morris Madness, National Machine Products, which is one of Morris companies, was demoing the oil vac. It was a new product at the time. We had lots of interest in that product, and I actually was able to deliver one of those units, the first unit sold, to one of our customers, and they still love it to this day. So definitely seeing new products, that's the biggest thing I think customers take away from Morris Madness.